the community is frightened. What is the position of the Department of Justice on unfair racial profiling within your jurisdiction?
It has all kinds of collateral negative impacts that drive wedges between law enforcement and certain communities. There is no good basis. I have never seen a good basis for racial profiling. If a community feels that it is being treated unfairly, that it is being profiled, you are less likely to have people share information with law enforcement. You are less likely to have an ability to solve crimes in that community. And those are the kinds of issues that I think we have to take into consideration as we look at the law.
There have been a significant amount of resources that have been invested in looking at the Arizona immigration law. It appears to follow a pattern of political actions of your office, and the ACORN investigation couldn't seem to get started with one single individual or one single investment of dollars.
The determinations that we make as to what statutes we look at, what cases we investigate, are done in a apolitical way. I'm quite proud of the time that I've spent in this Department of Justice. I consider myself a career guy. I've served very proudly under both Democratic and Republican attorneys general. I understand the traditions of this department. I will not allow this Department of Justice to be politicized. People may not agree with the decisions that I make, but I want the American people to know that, right or wrong, the decisions that I make are based on the facts and on the law and have no basis in politics. That's not what this Justice Department is about. That's not what this Attorney General is about.
This is not the first administration that hasn't secured the border. I hope it is the last administration so that it actually does secure the border. The law, it seems, should be enforced, and that the federal government performed its role. Arizona wouldn't need to have these desperate measures.
We have to secure our borders. We have to also deal with the millions of people who are here in an undocumented way. This is a national issue and requires, I think, a national response, not necessarily even understanding the frustration that people feel in Arizona, but not doing this state by state. This is something that requires our national government working with the states to come up with a solution, a comprehensive solution.